In fact, we are breaking updates now coming in. The Stampede showdown is continuing in Karnataka with the BJP hurling a jibe at the Karnataka government, taking the face-off up a notch. The charge that the BJP is making at the Congress government is of being cold-blooded murderers. The jibe that has come in from the BJP with a poster being put up by the Karnataka handle of the BJP accusing the Congress government in the state of shirking the blame and passing the buck, refusing to take onus for what has happened. In fact, pictures have been tweeted by the BJP Karnataka that show the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister posing happily and smiling with the IPL trophy that the RCB won, and yet not taking responsibility. My colleague Neha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Neha, the BJP has accused the government of trying to take credit when the RCB won. So they were part of the celebrations, welcoming the RCB players to the state and whatnot. But when it came to fixing accountability, very clearly the Karnataka government pushed the blame entirely on the RCB, absolving themselves from any responsibility whatsoever.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. Whenever we've heard the Karnataka government talk about this particular case and what really went wrong, they've of course said that it was indeed, the Home Minister says it was the RCB that organized it. We only felicitated it. Then you have senior ministers, of course, saying that yes, there were not enough time for arrangements and preparations. Of course, at the end of the day, what we're seeing is that even as the event there or the felicitation at Vidhan Saudha went completely okay with no untoward incident, the government, hasn't really bothered even thinking about the state of affairs at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, where lakhs of fans turned up. There should have been more security, essentially. But despite that, now, of course, this blame game that's really begun here, and possibly rightfully so. We're seeing now, in hindsight, that, the government, of course, has come out and blamed, the KSCA, blamed RCB, blamed DNA Networks, and all of those, and said that action would be taken against them. And we're seeing arrests also in tandem with that. We're seeing officials of DNA Networks, RCB, and now, of course, possibly KSCA officials also would be arrested shortly, is what we're being told. The police is in their hot pursuit. Questions being asked of that political pressure that was mounted on KSCA and why, of course, there's not been any action against anyone from within the government yet. It's just these 5 police officers who've been made a scapegoat, despite the Bengaluru police clearly telling the government, communicating to the government that this event shouldn't have gone on.
Okay, all right, Neha.